Okay, welcome back. Now, we have only 2 more holes left on our printed circuit board that we have to put wires into. Okay, it's looking pretty complicated, but if you follow the steps so far, you should have everything correct. The 2 wires that we have to put in, if we check our diagram here, are for our wand and for our squiggly wire. Now, what I've done is, for the wand, I've actually cut quite a long piece of wire. I've made that about 30 centimeters long. I think I've written 20 centimeters on here, but don't be afraid to cut too much. We could always cut it down shorter. Excuse me. And the reason why that is so long for the wand is because it actually has to move around our squiggly wire. Okay, so we have to be able to move this one around. So make the wand wire fairly long. The squiggly wire could probably be about that long there, about 20 centimeters. And I've already stripped it. And what I've done is, one end, this is a better example. One end I've stripped a little bit shorter, and the other end I've stripped a fair bit off it. And the reason why I've stripped a fair bit off it is because for our squiggly wire we've got to twist it around. This is the wire we're going to use, by the way, for our wand and our squiggly wire. We have to twist that around there later on, so we want to leave a fair bit of wire to twist around there. Our other piece, or our other end, goes into our printed circuit board. So the long one is for the wand, and I have a look on my printed circuit board and I see where my wand wire goes, and I realise that out of the 2 holes that are left, it's this hole that's almost in the middle of the printed circuit board, and I poke it through, bend it over, and I'm going to solder that in place now. Whoops. Solder on that. Okay, that's my wand wire soldered in place. And for my squiggly wire, it's obviously going to be the last hole on my printed circuit board. And I poke that through there, bend it over, and solder that in place also. There we go. Give it a few seconds to cool down. Cut off my excess wire. And that, good people, is our printed circuit board all soldered up. Next step I'm going to show is how to check to make sure that it actually works. Okay, thank you.